Hello learners, I'm Teacher Noel. Welcome to my math tutorial video. I hope ang video na to ay makatulong sa inyo dahil karamihan sa mga learners ngayon ay nahirapan pagdating sa math problems. At para naman updated kayo, huwag kalimutang isubscribe ang channel ko at i-click ang bell button para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos na gagawin ko.
In simple or mixed number with or without regrouping. To solve the problems of adding dissimilar fraction, we have the steps to be followed. First, find the LCD. Second, change dissimilar fraction to similar fraction. Third, add similar fraction. Fourth, express answer to the lowest term if necessary. To start, 1/2 plus 2/5. So 1/2 plus 2/5, what is the LCD of 2 and 5? Okay, to find the LCD, we have three methods to apply. Okay, so the first or the best way to find the LCD is listing method. Okay, so we're going to write all the numbers or the common factors of 2 and 5. Or rather, that is common multiples. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then 5, 5, 10. So, okay. The first number po na magkatulad ay magkapareho sa 2 and 5, that is called LCM. So, yun po yung gagamitin natin dito sa fraction para makuha natin yung LCD. So, para ma-change natin ang dissimilar to similar fraction. So, the denominator is 10. But, in singular denominator, meron tayong tinatawag na shortcut method. Paano po natin padali ang ating pagsasolve? So, using the shortcut method, ito po yun ating gagawin. So, pinakita ko lang naman po kung paano po tayo kumuha ng LCD sa isang fraction. Okay, so shortcut method po, ito po yung ating gagawin. Una, multiply po natin yung denominator both sides. So, 2 times 5, that is 10. So, the LCD is 10. Then, apply po natin yung cross multiplication or yung tinatawag nating butterfly technique. So, numerator to denominator. So, we're going to multiply 1 times 5. The answer is 5. Then, 2 times 2. The answer is 4. Then, you are going to add 5 plus 4. The answer is 9. Then, copy the denominator of 10. So, our final answer is 10 or 9 over 10. Again, our answer is 9 over 10. Okay, next. Examples. 2/3 plus 2/8. So, what is the LCD of 3 and 8? So, the LCD of 3 and 8 is 24. Sulat natin yung 24. Yan. The LCD. Then, cross multiplication. 2 times 8. The answer is 16. Plus 2 times 3. The answer is 6. Then, we add numerators. 16 plus 6. The answer is 22 over 24. So, do you think, learners, 22 and 24 is the final answer? Okay, no, because 22 and 24, they have a GCF. So, the GCF of 22 and 24 is 2. Using the GCF, we are going to reduce this 22 and 24 to lowest term. Okay po, ang gagawin po natin ay i-divide natin yung GCF both sides. So, 22 divided by 2, the answer is 11. Then, 24 divided by 2, the answer is 12. So, our final answer is 11 over 12. Again, our answer is 11 over 12. Another examples. 2/3 plus 1/4. 2/3 plus 1/4. The LCD of 3 and 4 is 12. So write 12 here. Then, apply cross multiplication. 2 times 4. The answer is 8. Okay. Then, 1 times 3. The answer is 3. Then, add 8 plus 3. The answer is 11 over 12. So, the answer is 11 over 12. Next, 2/3 plus 2/8. 2/3 plus 2/8. The LCD is 24. Then cross multiplication. 2 times 8. The answer is 16 plus 2 times 3. The answer is 6. So add 16 plus 2. The answer is 22. Then denominator of 24. 22 and 24 reduced to the lowest term by using the GCF. The GCF is 2. So you are going to divide both sides. 22 divided by 2, 11. 24 divided by 2, the answer is 12. So your answer is 11 over 12. Another. How about if they have a mixed number? Okay, so 2 and 1/3 plus 3 and 2/5. So this is called mixed number. So same process, same procedure. So first things to do, find the LCD of 3 and 5. What is the LCD of 3 and 5? The LCD is, okay, very good, 15. The LCD of 3 and 5 is 15. So, paano po natin siya gagawin? Okay, pag nakuha na po natin yung LCD ng 3 and 5, both denominator, after that, we are going to divide both sides denominator. So, 15 divided by 3, the answer is 5. Then, yung sagot po doon sa division, we are going to multiply to the numerator. 1 times 5, the answer is 5. Another one, 15 divided by 3, the answer is 3. Then, multiply numerator. 2 times 3, the answer is 6. Then, you are going to add the numerator. 5 plus 6, the answer is 11 over 15. So, yung 11 at saka 15 po, di natin pwedeng i-reduce sa lowest term. Okay. Then, paano po ba yung whole number? So, the whole number, we are going to add in a normal way. 2 plus 3, the answer is 5. So, ilalagay po natin yung 5 dito sa gitna. So, our answer is 5/11 over 15. Again, our final answer is 5 and 11 over 15. Another one, 10 and 2/4 plus 3 and 1/5. Again, 10 and 2/4 plus 3 and 1/5. What is the LCD of 4 and 5? The LCD of 4 and 5 is 20. Okay, just write 20 at the denominator. After you are going to write at the denominator, you are going to divide both sides. 20 divided by 4, the answer is 5. So, write dito yung 5. Then, i-multiply natin sa numerator. So, 2 times 5, the answer is 10. Another one, 20 divided by 5, the answer is 4. Okay, then multiply 4 times 1, the answer is 4. Then, add the numerator. 10 plus 4, the answer is 14 over 20. So do you think 14 and 20 is the final answer? Okay, no, because 14 and 20, we are going to reduce to the lowest term. So by using the GCF. So the GCF of 14 and 20 is 2. So we are going to divide that number to the lowest term, both sides, using the GCF. Okay, 14 divided by 2, the answer is 7. Then 20 divided by 2, the answer is 10. Then add the whole number, 10 plus 3, the answer is 13. So isusulat po natin dito yung 13. So our answer is 13. Again, our answer is 13 and 7/10. So 10 2 fourth plus 3 in 1 fifth. The answer is 13 and 7 over 10. Next one. 2 and 3/10 plus 2 in 1 half or 1 over 2. So the LCD of 10 at saka 2. What do you think the LCD? The LCD is 10. Okay, so write 10 here. The denominator. Then divide both sides. 10 divided by 2, or rather 10 divided by 10, the answer is 1. Then, i-multiply natin kay numerator. 3 times 1, the answer is 3. Another 1, 10 divided by 2, the answer is 5. Multiplied by numerator of 1, 1 times 5, the answer is 5. Then, add. Numerator, 3 plus 5, the answer is 8. Then, copy the denominator, 10. So, 8 and 10, we are going to reduce to the lowest term because they have a GCF of 2. Sa tulong ng GCF, we are going to reduce the lowest term both sides. So now, 8 divided by 2, the answer is 4. Okay, so 10 divided by 2, the answer is 5. Then, we are going to add the whole number rather. 2 plus 2, the answer is 4. So our final answer is 4 and 4 fifth or 4 and 4 over 5. Another one, 3 and 3 fourth plus 2 and 5, 12. So what is the LCD of 4 and 12? The LCD of 4 and 12 is of course 12. Right, 12 the denominator. Then after that, divide denominator and denominator. 12 divided by 4, the answer is 3. Then, multiply natin sa numerator. 3 times 3, the answer is 9. 12 divided by 12, the answer is 1. Then, multiply natin sa numerator na 5. 5 times 1, the answer is 5. Then, we are going to add numerator and numerator. 9 plus 5, the answer is 14. Then, copy the denominator. Okay. You can see, learners, our answer is 14 over 12. So, that is improper fraction. So, pag sinabi po natin improper fraction doon sa previous lesson natin, we are going to simplify. So, paano po ba isi-simplify? So, you are going to divide that fraction. So, yung numerator po natin na 14 nasa loob, then, divide sa 12, the denominator. So, 14 divided by 12, the answer is 1. 1 times 12, the answer is 12. Then subtract 14 minus 12. The answer is 2. Then, paano po natin siya isusulat? So, ang pagkakasulat po nun, that is 1 is the whole number, 2, at saka yung 12, ilalagay natin sa baba. So, final answer na po ba yan? So, hindi pa po. Kasi yung 2 at saka 12, pwede pa nating i-reduce sa lowest term. Okay. So, the lowest term of 2 and 12, makukuha natin sa pamamagitan ng GCF. So, the GCF of 12 and 2 or 2 and 12 is 2. So, divide both sides natin. 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. Then, 12 divided by 2, the answer is 6. Then, write the whole number is 1. So, paano po natin isusulat ang final answer? Kasi dito is 1 in 1, 6. Then, may whole number pa. So, ang gagawin po natin, i-add po natin yung whole number. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Then, yung 5 po at saka yung 1, i-add po natin. So, 5 plus 1, the answer is 6. Now, write 6. Then, copy 1 over 6. So, our answer is 1 or 6 in 1, 6. Again, our answer is 6 in 1, 6. Another, 5 in 1/4 plus 6 in 2/3. 5 in 1/4 plus 6 in 2/3. So, the LCD of 4 and 3, that is 12. So, write 12. Yan. Then, i-divide na naman natin siya ulit. 12 divided by 4, ang sagot niya is 3. Then, multiply sa numerator. 3 times 1, the answer is 3. Then, 12 divided by 3, the answer is 4. Then, multiply naman natin numerator. 2 times 4, the answer is 8. Then, add 3 plus 8, the answer is 11 over 12. Okay, so yung 11 at saka 12 po, hindi na po natin sa pwedeng i-reduce sa lowest term. Then, we are going to add the whole number. 5 plus 6, the answer is 11. So, just write 11 at the middle of 11 and 12. So, the final answer is 11 and 11, 12. Okay, learners, dito na po nagtatapos. Sana nakatulong ito sa inyo at may natutunan kayo. By the way, learners, meron akong activities dito at gusto kong subukan nyo i-solve at isulat ang sagot sa comment box. Sa ulit, I'm Teacher Noel. Sa ulit, I'm Teacher Noel nagsasabing gustong matuto sa ulit sa ulit, I'm Teacher Noel nagsasabing gustong matuto. Una, bukas ang isipan. Pangalawa, bukas sa puso. Pangatlo, makinig ng mabuti para masabi nating ang math is okay. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!